So today we are continuing with the same numerical problems, same numericals which are discussed in the SPS class. That is for of a chapter mechanical properties of solids. So next numerical is a solid sphere of radius 10 centimeter is subjected to a uniform pressure equal to 5 to 10 to the power of 8 Newton per meter square. Calculate the change in volume and the bulk modulus of the material of the sphere is 3.14 into 10 to the power of 11 Newton per meter square. He has given. So first of all you write the given here. So solution for this question. The question is that there is a solid sphere, okay, of radius 10 centimeter. Of radius 10 centimeter. Of radius 10 centimeter is subjected to a uniform pressure. तो इस solid sphere पे कितना pressure apply किया? How much pressure is being applied? 5 into 10 to the power of 8 Newton per meter square. So let us first write the given data here. So the given data, radius are equal to 10 centimeter. So basically all the data which is given in standard unit. So we are converting this 10 centimeter into meter. That is, we can write it as a 0.1 meter. And pressure, okay, it is subjected to a pressure equal to, so pressure means P. P equal to 5 into 10 to the power of 8 Newton per meter square. Calculate the change in volume. So the question is that when we are applying a pressure on this sphere, pressure of how much? 5 into 10 to the power of 8 Newton per meter square. So as we know that by applying this, when it is subjected to a uniform means constant pressure, when it is being subjected to a uniform pressure, then there will be a decrease in the volume here. Okay. So that change, how much the volume is changing there, that we have to calculate. So that means delta V is equal to how much? And also he has given the bulk modulus of the sphere. Bulk modulus of the material of the sphere is how much? K equal to 3.14 into 10 to the power of 11 Newton per meter square. So then if I substitute the value, so these are the given data. So then we know that bulk modulus is given by K equal to, with K representing the bulk modulus of the material of the sphere, which is equal to pressure into original volume divided by change in volume. So pressure is how much here? So you have to calculate what? Change in volume. So we will rearrange this equation. So delta V is equal to EV divided by K. So therefore delta V is equal to, P means pressure, 5 into 10 to the power of 8 into, so we don't know the volume here. We don't know the volume here. So therefore, let us first we solve the original volume is how much here. So original volume, how can we solve? How can we find out the original volume? That is V equal to, V means volume of the sphere. So we know that the volume of the sphere is given by 4 by 3 pi r cube. Right? So therefore 4 by 3 pi means 3.14 into r means that is radius has given. So therefore radius is how much? 0.1 cube. So therefore if I calculate this, how much you will be getting? So your answer will be, that is 4.14 4.19 into 10 to the power of minus 3 cubic meter will be getting. So if you do the calculation, then you will be getting 4.19 into 10 to the power of minus 3 cubic meter, which is the total volume, means original volume of this sphere. So therefore, using this relation, delta V is equal to pressure means 5 into 10 to the power of 8 into original volume is how much? 4.19 into 10 to the power of minus 3 whole divided by the bulk modulus value, that is 3.14 into 10 to the power of 11. So 5 into 4.19 whole divided by 3.14 into 10 to the power of 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3, 5. So 5, if I take this into the numerator, then 5 minus 11 here. So therefore it becomes 5 into 4.19 divided by 3.14 into 10 to the power of 5 minus 11, that is minus 6. So if you do the calculation, that is you will be getting that is 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 6 cubic meter will be the answer. So this much is the change in volume of the sphere when this sphere is subjected to a uniform pressure equal to 5 into 10 to the power of 8 Newton per meter square. So this is the solution for this question. So what we have done here, we have calculated the original volume, because in the question he has not given the original volume of the sphere. So using the radius of the sphere, we can calculate the original volume. So therefore, using this relation, we can also calculate the change in volume. So using the definition of the bulk modulus, that is K equal to PV by delta V, we can calculate the change in volume. So this is the solution for this question. So let us move on towards the second question. A sphere contracts in volume by 0.01% when taken to the bottom of sea, 1 kilometer deep. Find the bulk modulus of the material of the sphere. So there is a sphere which is contracting in its volume by 0.01%. So first we will write the given data here. So our given data is, the question it is saying that it is a sphere is contracting, means the change in volume is equal to the 0.01% of the volume of the given volume. So this is the question, 0.01. So we can write this as 0.01 divided by 100 into this volume. Right. Now this is our change in volume. Next, height he has given, means depth is how much? H equal to 1 kilometer. So which is equal to 10 to the power of 3 meter. So H equal to 1 kilometer, which can be written as 10 to the power of 3 meter here. Find the bulk modulus. So we have to calculate the bulk modulus, that is K. Bulk modulus of the material of the sphere. So as we know that K equal to PV divided by delta V. Right? But he has not given the pressure here. He has not given the pressure, how much pressure is on the sphere, so that it is contracting. So let us find out the pressure here. So So we know that pressure is equal to H rho into G. So the pressure is given by H means height, rho means density of the water, G means acceleration due to gravity. So now H means height. Height is how much here? 10 to the power of 3. That is H here. And we also know that the bulk modulus of water, the density of water is 10 to the power of 3 kg per cubic meter. Right? So therefore, we are writing this 10 to the power of 3 into acceleration due to gravity is G is equal to 9.8, right, meter per second square. So 9.8. So therefore 9.8 into 10 to the power of 6 Newton per meter square is the pressure which we have got. Okay. Now using this relation, using the definition of the bulk modulus of the material of the sphere, we can calculate the bulk modulus because we know the pressure is how much is given. So therefore K equal to pressure is 9.8 into 10 to the power of 6 into V whole divided by 0.01 divided by 100 into V. So V will get cancelled. So now K equal to, now what he has given in the question, bulk modulus, we have to find out the bulk modulus here. So therefore, so 9.8 into, as this goes to the numerator, 10 to the power of 6 plus these two zeros plus 2 divided by 0.01. Also we can write K equal to 9.8. This 0.01 means what? 1 divided by 100. Again this 100 goes to the numerator. So into 10 to the power of 6 plus 2 divided by 1. So K equal to 9.8 into 10 to the power of 6 plus 2, 8 plus 2, that is 10. That is Newton per meter square is the answer. So the bulk modulus of the material of the sphere is 9.8 into 10 to the power of 10 Newton per meter square. So this is the solution for this question. So there is a sphere which is contracting in its volume. So that volume is how much V we are considering. So total V में से 0.01% volume क्या हो रहा है, contract हो रहा है. तो उसमें 0.01% of volume, which calculate as 0.01 divided by 100 into V. Height is how much? Depth. Depth is how much? 1 kilometer. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So we have to calculate the bulk modulus here, which is given by K. So using this relation, we can calculate the bulk modulus of the material, the sphere, but we don't know the pressure, how much pressure is on the sphere. So therefore, we are using this formula. Pressure is equal to H rho into G, where H is the height, that is 10 to the power of 3. Rho is the density of the water. The standard value of the density of water is how much? That is 10 to the power of 3 kg per cubic meter. So we have substituted here. And G is the acceleration due to gravity, that is 9.8. We got the pressure. So using this relation, we have found out the bulk modulus of the material of the sphere. Okay. So the next question is, to what depth must a rubber ball be taken in deep sea so that its volume is decreased by 0.1%? The bulk modulus of the rubber is 9.8 into 10 to the power of 8 Newton per meter square, and the density of the water is 10 to the power of 3 kg per cubic meter. So this question, you people will try this one, and in the next class I am going to solve this question. So I just give you the hint of this question, how to solve. Try it in your home. So to what depth must a rubber ball be taken? That means you have to calculate the depth, that is height. Okay, so that its volume is decreased by 0.1%. मतलब हमें कितना गहराई में उस बॉल को हमें डुबाना है, यानी कि इमर्स करना है वाटर में, ताकि उसका वॉल्यूम कितना डिक्रीज होना चाहिए 0.1%। और उसका बल्क मॉडल दिया गया यहाँ पे, दैट इज k वैल्यू आल्सो इज गिवन, दिस इज द k वैल्यू, इट इज द डेंसिटी ऑफ द वाटर। ओके, सो ट्राई दिस क्वेश्चन and anyhow the next class I will solve this question. Okay, thank you very much.